This video is intended for educational use and features substantial original commentary throughout.
Now we need to go back to that stupid Woolworths we went to last week. Unless Nana wants to go to the college, so she's already home. Yeah, this man, he's busy. Oh, let him go. Oh my god, let him go.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh, you can't go back, you can't go back, you can't go back. He's an idiot. He can't help him anyway. Did you ask him?
Yeah.
Did you ask him? Oh.
He said he's good. He said he's good.
Was he? Sorry, I'm behind.
No.
Because there's one trying to get out of here, but they can't. Oh no.
What a disaster that is. Disaster that is.